Welcome to the posing guide. This is number 2, transition to the side. To start with, the side that you are rolling your baby onto, place that arm, palm against the head and holding the shoulder, and help the baby to turn by holding the other shoulder as well. It just means that your baby will move in one nice movement rather than one shoulder or one arm being left behind. This will also help to ensure that your baby has less chance of being disturbed and woken up during this process. Pushing down the blankets in front of your baby will help when you're taking the photograph from the side to ensure that it's not going to hide any part of your baby's body. Encourage the hand, if it's in a fist, just to open up the fingers so that they're laying flat against your baby's face. The best way to do this is to put your finger in the middle of their fist and then just force it gently open. Once the fingers are spread out, then you can raise your baby's head, place the hand underneath and lower the head back down again, and the head will help to keep those fingers out and in place. Crossing that one foot over the other leg, bringing those knees up to help the baby to not roll back by supporting them from behind and building a wall out of your cloths. And once you've done that, just make sure it's all smooth. You don't want to have any folds showing in your photo if you can help it. Just get those knees up. If it's a little boy, make sure the bits aren't caught. The knees are very useful for hiding any of those bits as well. So now you're ready to take your photos from the side. Don't forget to push that blanket down at the front if it's covering your baby in any way.